If your computer is sluggish or feels unresponsive, this feature I show you can help to make it faster. To begin, we'll be opening the Windows Services console. To do this, use the keyboard shortcut, pressing the Windows key plus R. This will open the Run prompt. If you have a keyboard without the Windows key, just right-click on the Start menu and select Run. Type Services, .msc. And when you know that, hit Enter on your keyboard. Another way to open the Windows Services console is to go to Search, type the word Services, then click on Services. With it open, go through the list and look for Sysmain, spelled S-Y-S-M-A-I-N. Double-click on it. In earlier versions of Windows, Sysmain was known as Superfetch. The goal of it is to improve system performance by preloading frequently used applications into memory. While this can be helpful for apps to launch faster, it sometimes leads to high CPU and memory usage, causing performance problems, especially on older computers. Since Sysmain is competing with active programs you already have open, this could lead to your PC feeling unresponsive or it could seem like it's lagging. So here's what I did on an older laptop I had bought in 2017 that was having performance issues, which got worse after I had upgraded to Windows 11. The first thing to do in Service Status is to click on Stop. In Startup Type, the default is Automatic. In the drop-down menu, change it to either Manual or Disabled. Doing this will prevent it from automatically starting up when you boot into Windows. When I did this on my older laptop, it didn't make it feel brand new again, but definitely made it a lot faster and less sluggish than it was. So I recommend trying this out for yourself to see if it helps. If not, you can always change it back later. If you're done making any other changes, you don't need to click on Apply. Clicking OK will save those changes. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to speed up your PC. If it was, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having performance problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows and other tech-related stuff